Hello and welcome, dear students. In the last lecture, we have seen what is integration by parts rule, how to apply that. So we solve some problems on that rule. Let us start. So first problem, evaluate integration x square into log x dx. So your first step, given order is correct or not, that we have to check. X square means algebraic function, log x means logarithmic function. So by rule LIAT, here order is not correct. So your first function must be logarithmic, that is log x, and second function is x square dx. And then apply formula. You know formula, first function write same, integration of second function minus integration in bracket derivative of first function, again integration of second function dx outside bracket dx. So it is equal to, simplify this, log x as it is, integration of x square x cube divided by 3 minus integration derivative of log x 1 upon x, and write integration of x square x cube divided by 3 dx. So it is equal to, write 1 by 3 constant, x cube log x minus 1 by 3 constant, integration, here 1x can be cancelled, x square dx. So it is equal to 1 by 3 x cube log x minus 1 by 3, and integration of x square is x cube divided by 3 plus c, and thus we get solution 1 by 3 x cube log x minus x cube divided by 3 into 3 9 plus c, and thus solution completed. Second problem, evaluate integration x square into sin 3x dx. So it is equal to, first check the order, x square algebraic, sin 3x means trigonometric. So by word LIAT, A algebraic, then trigonometric. So order correct. So apply formula, first function same, integration of second function sin 3x dx minus integration, take derivative of first function, again integration of second function dx outside bracket dx. Simplify. So x square as it is, we know integration of sin 3x minus cos 3x and divide by coefficient of x, that is 3, minus sin integration derivative of x square 2x and integration of sin 3x minus cos 3x divided by coefficient of 3x, that is 3 dx. It is equal to, take minus and outside, x square into cos 3x divided by 3, here minus into minus plus sign, 2 by 3 constant outside, integration x into cos 3x dx. Note that again here integrand is the product of two functions, that means we have to apply again same rule. So it is equal to minus x square into cos 3x divided by 3 plus second term 2 by 3 constant in bracket first function same, again apply integration by parts rule. Then take integration of second function cos 3x dx minus integration in bracket derivative of first function x and integration of second cos 3x dx, bracket close, dx, again bracket close. So it is equal to, first term same, minus x square into cos 3x divided by 3 plus 2 by 3 in bracket x, integration of cos 3x sin 3x divided by 3, that is coefficient, minus integration derivative of x is 1, integration of cos 3x sin 3x divided by 3 dx. So it is equal to minus x square into cos 3x divided by 3 plus 2 by 3 in bracket x into sin 3x divided by 3 minus 1 by 3 constant, write integration of sin 3x, that is minus cos 3x and divided by 3, and write plus c here, and we get solution as minus x square into cos 3x divided by 3 plus 2 by 3 in bracket x into Sin 3x divided by 3 minus minus plus 3 into 3 9 cos 3x plus c, and thus solution completed. Third problem, evaluate integration x square into tan inverse x dx. Note that here x square means algebraic function, tan inverse means inverse trigonometric function. So check by our word rule LIATE. So inverse trigonometric must be first. So we change the order. We take here first function as inverse trigonometric tan inverse x, second function as algebraic because of the rule LIAT, inverse trigonometric first, algebraic second, and then apply formula. Write first function same, integration of second function minus integration, take derivative of first function ddx of tan inverse x, again integration of second function dx outside, and simplify this. Tan inverse x as it is, write integration of x square 2 plus 1 3 divided by 3 minus integration derivative of tan inverse x 1 divided by 1 plus x square, integration of x square, that is x cube divided by 3 dx. So it is equal to x cube by 3 into tan inverse x minus 1 by 3 constant here, integration x cube divided by 1 plus x square dx. So it is equal to x cube by 3 tan inverse x minus 1 by 3 integration. How to evaluate? See here, in numerator there is polynomial, in denominator also polynomial, but degree of numerator is greater than the degree of polynomial in denominator. So in such case we take actual division or use adjustment. So by adjustment we write x cube in terms of 1 plus x square. So we can write here 1 plus x square, here multiply by x, because x cube is there, so x into x square, x cube, after multiplying x into 1 x extra, so cancelling by taking minus x here, denominator same 1 plus x square dx. So it is equal to x cube by 3 tan inverse x minus 1 by 3 integration. Then separate terms, simplify. First term 1 plus x square cancel, we get x here, minus second term x divided by 1 plus x square dx. So it is equal to x cube by 3 tan inverse x minus 1 by 3 multiply integration of x dx minus and this minus sign plus 1 by 3 integration x divided by 1 plus x square dx. So it is equal to first term same x cube by 3 tan inverse x minus 1 by 3 integration of x, we know x square by 2, third term plus 1 by 3. How to integrate this? See here, integration, we know derivative of denominator 2x here, denominator 1 plus x square dx. In numerator x is there, we have taken 2x, this 2 extra, so multiply by 1 by 2 outside, 2 to cancel, so there is no change. We know formula, when numerator is the derivative of denominator, integration log of denominator. So we apply that formula and we can write here first term same x cube by 3 tan inverse x minus 1 divided by 3 into 2 6 x square plus 1 upon 3 into 2 6, and integration is log of denominator, log of 1 plus x square, and write plus c constant of integration, right. So fourth problem, fourth integration x into sin square x dx. First check the order, x means algebraic, sin square x means trigonometric. So by word LIAT, order correct. So first function same, take integration of second, integration of sin square x dx, minus sign, integration, again derivative of first function, again integration of second function, that is sin square x dx outside bracket dx, and simplify this. So it is equal to x integration of sin square x. There is no standard formula for the integration of sin square x. That means we have to use here trigonometric formula, trigonometric conversion. We know formula for sin square x, trigonometric formula, that is 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 dx. Note that whenever sin square, cos square, tan square is there, we use trigonometric conversion. Minus integration, derivative of x is 1 and integration of sin square x, again formula 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 dx outside bracket dx. So it is equal to this 1 by 2 constant take outside, so we get x by 2 integration in bracket 1 minus cos 2x dx minus take 1 by 2 constant outside, integration in bracket again integration 1 minus cos 2x in bracket as it is dx outside bracket dx. So it is equal to x by 2 in bracket integration of 1 dx means x minus integration of cos 2x sin 2x divided by coefficient of 2x, that is 2, minus 1 by 2 integration in bracket take integration of 1, that is x, integration of cos 2x sin 2x divided by 2 dx. So it is equal to multiply, so we get here x square by 2 minus x into sin 2x divided by 2 minus 1 by 2 in bracket right integration of x square by 2 minus integration of sin 2x minus cos 2x divided by 2 and this 2, that is 4, and right here plus c. So we get solution as x square by 2 minus x into sin 2x divided by 2 multiply to bracket by minus 1 by 2. So minus x square divided by 4, this minus plus, and this minus, that is minus sign 1 divided by 2 into 4, 8 cos 2x plus c. Then we can add these two terms, first and third term. So it is equal to x square by 2 minus x square by 4. So LCM is 4 divided by 2 means 2. 2x square minus 1x square, that is x square divided by 4. Subtraction of first and third term minus x into sin 2x divided by 2 minus 1 by 8 cos 2x plus c, and hence the solution completed.